Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing well. So today I'm going to talk about smart switch. So what Samsung smart switch is, what you can do with this software. So this software is best for backing up your Samsung phones and then restore it. So the best software you can do, take the backup of your phone and same as restore the same backup into your new phone. So what we are going to do is, as you can see, the Samsung.com, it provides the software for your computer. You can install it in your Mac, you can install in your Android phone, but we are going to install it into our Windows computer. So we are going to get it on Windows. Just click on it and you can see that down there it's downloading the file. So once the downloads completes, as you can see it's completes already, we are going to double click on it and now we are going to install Smart Switch. Accept these license agreements, click next. So click finish. It will launch the smart switch and create the shortcut on your desktop like this. Just double click on it if it does not launch it. So here you go. So now as you can see that it's asking for you to connect your device. We will go and see the options. The best option it does have, like reinstall device drivers. If you happen to, like, you are plugging your USB, you're trying to connect your phone and it's not like getting into the smart switch, you can try and reinstall the device driver from here. And the best thing in this software is that you can select the location of your backup. So like if you're backing up your iPhone or an iTunes, it does not ask you to do that. And in this thing, you can literally select your specific location other than C drive, so you can take backup in any folder. So like whatever backup you already taken in this computer, they will be listed as over here, and you can go over there. If you are done with that backup, you can delete that, and if you want to keep it, you can keep it. It's totally up to you. You can also update your device software using Smart Switch, and that is also pretty good. And withdrawal of consent, we don't have to do anything from over here. So just the best thing is that backup your file, and you can also update the software. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect an Android phone. So in that case, I will show you how you can take backup. So as you can see that I just connected one of my Android phone, and it's getting the driver update down there, and it's gonna ask me to allow USB transfer on screen. I just need to hit allow on the phone and it will get connect. So here it is. As you can see, it's asking me to, if I want to update the software, I can do that over here. New software version is available. It's already on Android 9. It's Galaxy Note 8. If I want to back up, I can click over here and I can select whatever I want to back up. I'm gonna make separate video on how you can back up your phone. It's the same as restore. You can do that from restore button and Outlook sync. These are the best options, or the best. This software is the best software to back up your Samsung phones. So that's all for the smart switch. I hope you like the video. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel, and I'm definitely gonna make another video like how you can back up your Android phone or Samsung phone. I'm definitely gonna find a software. I will try to like put another like model of Android phone like Motorola or LG. I hope that will also work. But if not, I will definitely give you something like for free. LG softwares are in the market to back up and restore, same as Motorola softwares are in the market for the backup and restore. So I will do that for you guys, and I hope you like the video. So do not forget to subscribe my channel, and that's it for the day. Have a good one and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.